Next we have split lines. This method is used to split the lines at the line boundaries if found in the string. This function returns a list of lines in the string wherever the line breaks finds, and it also includes the line breaks optionally if we mention the parameter keep ends as true. Otherwise, the line breaks will be ignored. So this line breaks can be an number or it may be an Unicode characters like next line, carriage return or tab. Let us see how it works on the string 24. So here I have a string. This is Python tutorial and is based. And I have separated each word with the next line and the carriage return. Let us split this line original string into a number of lines wherever we have the line breaks like next line and the carriage return. So here we can see wherever the line breaks are there, the string has been split into separate lines. This a list of separate lines. This is Python and we have a carriage return after tutorial and hence this is the separate word, separate line, and finally is based. If we mention keep ends true, then the line breaks will be included in the split lines. So here we can see this, we have next line and after is we have next line, after Python we have carriage return and after tutorial and we have the carriage return and finally is based. As I said earlier, this keep ends may be a number or it may be an Unicode characters. Let us insert or use the number and see how it works. It works similar to the one without any optional parameter. So here. So this is how the split lines method works on strings. Next we have the lower method. This lower method converts all the uppercase characters in a string into lowercase characters and returns it. Let us see how it works on the string 25. Here I have a string with uppercase and lowercase characters along with the numbers and the special characters hash and at. Let us apply the lower on this string. So here we can see all the uppercase characters have been converted into an lowercase characters, but the special symbols and the numerical values have been kept as it is. This is how the lower method works on strings. This is similar to the swap case method, but it converts all the uppercase characters into an lowercase and do not convert the lowercase characters into an uppercase characters. Next we have the partition method. This partition method splits the string at the first occurrence of the separator and returns a tuple containing three parts. One is the part before the separator, the second one is the separator itself, and the third one is the part after the separator. Here the separator is a string that is given as the parameter. Let us see how it works for the string 26. So here we have the string, and this time I am using the separator as AND, which is the substring in this original string. So here you can see the output with the tuple of 3 parts. The first part is before the substring, that is this is Python tutorial, and then the separator itself, and finally the part after the separator is best. Let us see how it works for the string substring is, which appears 2 times in the original string. It looks for the first occurrence of the substring is. So here, instead of finding the is as the separate word, this partition method looks for the exact suffix is as the substring. So here it finds this is exact suffix or substring inside the word this. Hence, from here it splits the string into 3 parts. One is the part before this substring, that is th, and the substring itself means the separator itself as the second part, and the part after the separator, that is Python tutorial and is best. Let us separate the string into 3 parts based on the substring Python. So here you can see Python is the separator, and the part before the Python and the part after the Python. What happens if we use the separator or the substring which is not present in the original string? So if it is not found in the original string, then it keeps the original string as the first part, and then it inserts 2 empty strings after the original string as the second and third part, because it searches for the substring or the separator from the left side, from left to right. Hence, if it is not able to find the substring, then it keeps the original string as it is in the left side, and the remaining empty strings as the second and third parts after the original string.